DEXIS IS ScanFlow 202 is here. From a brand new implant scanning protocol to smarter case management, expanded integrations, and an updated touchscreen experience, there's a lot to cover. We've also included chapter markers in the description below this video for quick topic selection. Let's walk through what's new. SEAT Protocol, what it is. The headline feature of this release is the SEAT Protocol. SEAT stands for Scan Body, Encoding, Alignment, Transfer. SEAT Protocol is a purpose-built digital implant workflow designed specifically for horizontal scan bodies in full arch partial arches and multi-unit restoration cases. It's built for the DEXIS Imprevo intraoral scanner and is our answer to the growing demand for accurate passive fit, accessible full arch implant scanning. The protocol currently supports 4 families of horizontal scan bodies: Nobel Biocare Polo MUA, Implant Direct Scan, Alpha Biotech Alpha Scan, and Apollo Smart Flag. SEAT Protocol Workflow. Here's how the SEAT Protocol workflow operates from start to finish. Begin and case creation. Select the SEAT Protocol workflow and choose the scan body you're using. In this example, Nobel Biocare Polo MUA. This step is important. SEAT Protocol must be selected during new case creation. It won't activate if you go straight into scanning. From there, proceed through the common scan, scanning the upper arch, lower arch, and bite as usual. Now comes what makes SEAT Protocol different: the scan body only scan. What distinguishes the SEAT Protocol is its capability to isolate and capture only the scan body during scan body scanning. All soft tissues are automatically filtered out in real time. This is especially valuable in immediate loading cases, where moving tissues, sutures, and blood can otherwise distort implant position data. As you scan, ScanFlow uses color to communicate quality. Each scan body turns green once it has been captured with good quality. The green highlight is your confirmation. The data is usable, and the scan body has been positively identified against the STL library. Once all scan bodies are green, the user is prompted to proceed to the tissue scan. At this point, all scan body positions are locked. They will not move, and they will not be affected by any further tissue scanning. Simply fill in the surrounding tissue, which attaches directly to the locked scan bodies. Next, proceed to the reference scan. When you copy to the reference scan, the horizontal scan bodies are automatically removed. Cutting tool is not required. You then scan the multi-unit abutment areas to close the remaining holes. After that, use the matching tool to review alignment, then refine. With SEAT Protocol, because the scan body positions have been precisely identified and locked, they are automatically kept in place through the refinement process. Finally, export and send to your lab. Improved blood scanning using AI anti-reflective mode. In surgical environments, maintaining scan quality can be challenging, especially in the presence of blood. ScanFlow 202 introduces an enhanced AI-powered anti-reflective mode to support SEAT Protocol for the Imprevo scanner. A new algorithm reconstructs surfaces affected by blood and reflectivity, filling gaps without distorting stable surrounding structures, delivering significantly improved data capture in surgical environments. Activate it through the Scan Options toolbar. This feature is currently specific to the Imprevo. Case statistics and filtering. ScanFlow 202 introduces case statistics, a new panel inside CaseFlow Manager that gives clinicians a comprehensive, real-time view of their case database. Cases are grouped by status: unsubmitted, transferring, transferred, consulted, finished, and rejected. At a glance, you can see exactly where every case stands. Clicking a status group immediately filters the case list to show only cases with that status. You can also combine status filters with the search bar, search by patient name or patient ID, and layer on a date filter for today, the last 7 days, or all time. For practices that don't submit via IS Connect, the panel can be collapsed to simply show a total case count. This feature is particularly useful at the end of the day. A quick check confirms that all cases have been submitted, and at the start of the day to review any new cases that have come back from the lab. Integrations. Asiga 3D printers. ScanFlow 202 adds direct integration with Asiga 3D printers. You can now print directly from ScanFlow to an Asiga printer connected on the same PC. No intermediate steps required. Integrations. Alphabyte. Also new in this release is integration with Alphabyte, a same-day pediatric restoration software solution for prefabricated crowns. The workflow is simple. Scan, check, Then launch Alphabyte directly from ScanFlow's Patient Engagement toolbar. Alphabyte identifies the best-fitting crown for the patient and uses color coding to guide preparation. Return to ScanFlow, remove the preparation area, rescan, and launch Alphabyte again to verify fit. Once approved, cement the crown. This integration is currently only available in the United States. Scan anywhere and copy data freely. ScanFlow 202 removes the constraint of having to begin a case at the common scan step. Clinicians can now start scanning in any workflow and copy data freely between workflows. A practical example: if a patient returns for their final prosthesis after healing is complete, you can start from the scanbody scan, emergence profile scan, and then scan the common scan and can leave with the temporary prosthesis in the mouth. You can also configure a preference to always copy from the previous workflow automatically, eliminating the confirmation prompt for practices that follow a consistent routine. Scan check improvements. The Scan Check tool has been expanded. Color mapping now extends to 2 mm. The far range between 1 and 2 mm is displayed in blue, giving clinicians a more detailed view of preparation clearance. Hovering over any colored point on the scan now displays the exact distance value to the opposing arch. A cross-section slider is now also available for partial arches, allowing users to move the cross-section view along the arch without dragging controls manually. This is particularly useful for single crown and quadrant cases. Parallelism Check, up to 6 units. The Parallelism Check tool now supports up to 6 preparations simultaneously. Now, simply draw circles around each preparation, up to 6, and ScanFlow calculates the angulation between every pair of axes, displaying the largest angle found. The undercut check is included in the same step. Touchscreen navigation. The touchscreen experience in ScanFlow has been thoughtfully rebuilt. Users can now zoom, rotate, and pan at the point of contact directly where they're working on the screen, rather than being locked to the center of the mesh. 2-finger gestures rotate the scan at the fingertips. Panning works with 2 fingers as well. Equally important, you no longer need to hold the control key to zoom, tilt, or pan while a tool is active. Rotating and manipulating the scan works seamlessly inside any tool. Cut, lock, highlight, margin line, and others. Mouse wheel zooming has also improved. Scrolling now zooms toward the mouse cursor position rather than the center of the screen, making it much faster to zoom into a specific tooth. Genius Control. Enhanced scanner button navigation. Genius Control. The on-screen menu triggered by pressing the Mode button on the Imprevo scanner has been significantly expanded. By pressing the Mode button, this feature provides easy activation of the intraoral camera. Pressing the Power button captures the image and motion control for scan evaluation by pressing the Power button in this mode. The user can zoom in to further evaluate the scan. Previously, Genius Control was limited to navigating the common scan workflow. Now it supports navigation across all workflows in the same sequence shown in the acquisition toolbar. Move left to go to the previous workflow, right to advance to the next, without touching the mouse or keyboard. Scanner buttons can also confirm copy actions, confirm refinement, and exit tools. This is especially beneficial in surgical environments where hands-free operation and infection control are priorities. Automatic scan matching. For complex full-arch cases where manual matching was previously required, ScanFlow 202 introduces automatic scan matching. The software now automatically aligns all scans in the case, significantly reducing the time spent on this step and minimizing the need to use manual matching controls. Arch selection behavior. Users can now swap upper and lower scan data in any workflow except the extra workflow, a valuable correction tool if arches were accidentally scanned in the wrong arch. This previously required extra steps. Now it's a one-click fix. Additionally, the behavior when selecting arches in the check and adapt steps have been updated to be more intuitive. After refinement, the view defaults to occlusion view. To display the upper jaw, click upper. To display the lower jaw, click lower. Lock and keep, now one tool. The lock and keep tools have been merged into a single unified tool. To prevent confusion and simplify, in ScanFlow 202, the lock tool now handles both functions. A darker green color indicates that an area is both locked and protected through refinement. Usernames now remembered. DEXIS IS login usernames are now remembered. After entering your email address, it is saved and will appear as an option the next time you log in. Passwords are not stored, in keeping with security requirements. Prescription preserved when switching labs. When switching between labs, the prescription, materials, restoration type, and other RX details are now preserved rather than cleared. ScanFlow retains the prescription and prompts the user to review it, since some items may not be available for the newly selected lab. OBJ Export, texture, and monochrome. ScanFlow 202 adds OBJ Export alongside the existing STL and PLY formats, available in texture or monochrome, with files automatically packaged into a zip archive directly from the export screen. That's everything new in ScanFlow 202. From the seat protocol's breakthrough in full arch implant accuracy to smarter case tracking, expanded integrations, and a much more refined everyday user experience. This release represents a major step forward for the platform, and we will continue to listen to you, our customers, as we move forward together. Thanks for watching. For additional resources and documentation, please visit our website at dexis.com.